Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to install Google Analytics to your website using Google Tag Manager. Personally, I believe Google Tag Manager is the easiest and most efficient way to connect new Google Analytics 4 to your website. In one of my previous video, I showed how to install and set up Google Tag Manager. So if you don't have Google Tag Manager or if you don't know how to set up it, you can check my Google Tag Manager setup tutorial. I'll put the video link in the description below. Alright, let's install the new Google Analytics 4, also known as GA4, on my dummy website. This website already has Google Tag Manager installed. So next, to get started, we have to create a new Google Analytics account. For that, go to the Google and type Google Analytics in search bar. Click this Google Analytics sign-in page. Well, this is not the page I expected. So I click the four dot icon in the top right here. Let's check, explore more products. Oh, got it. Here's the page I want. Okay, click the sign into analytics button here. It's open in a new tab. Click start measuring. Alright, this is the GA4 setup page. First, account creation. We need an account name. I'll give a Hashan's website. Remember, under one account, you can have multiple GA4 properties. Let's say you have multiple websites, so you can create multiple GA4 properties for each website under one account. It will be easy to manage all properties under one account. Okay, for the data sharing, this is up to you. You can leave it or opt out. Here I just put a tick for this option because I want to turn on the Google Signal feature. Also remember, these data sharing settings may impact your privacy and the user data policy of the website, so keep it in mind. Okay, click next. Here we have to give the property name. I'll give my website name to GA4 Property so that later I can easily identify which property belongs to which website. Okay, change country, change currency. Fill all these based on your requirement. Click next. This is about your business details. Select your business category. Here I'm selecting, let's see, okay, online communication. Then business size, I put small. Then click next. These objectives are what you expect from Google Analytics. For me, generate lead, yes. Drive online sales, yes. Raise brand awareness, yes. Examine user behavior, of course, yes. Last, you can't select this with other options, so I'll leave it untick. Now click the create button. Just accept these TOS based on your region. Scroll down, and click the accept button. Well, now it is time to create GA4 data stream. Choose your platform. Mine, it is a website, so click web. Here, enter your website address without HTTPS. Type the website name again. Okay, I just leave it enhance measurement and on because it automatically tracks a lot of events on your website, so you don't have to manually set up. As mentioned, keep in mind that these options can impact to user data privacy of your website. Okay, then click the create stream button. All right, the GA4 property and data stream have been created. Now we need to connect this property to our website. You can do it in many ways. If you have WordPress, you can do it using it plugin, or you can insert this code manually into your website. But in my opinion, Google Tag Manager is the most easiest and most efficient way. For that, we only need this measurement ID. So I'm copying it. Now we need to log into our Google Tag Manager account. Okay, this is the page I want. This is the account we already created. If you don't know how to create a GTM account, please watch my GTM tutorial video. Okay, this is the dashboard. Now click tags, then click new button here. We have to give a name for our tag. This is gonna be a Google Analytics tag, so I put GA4. First, we need to tag configuration. Click the small pencil icon on the top right. Then click Google Analytics. Now click Google Tag. This is the latest name they called for this tag after the new update. For this box, we need to copy paste the measurement ID. I already copied, but let me show it again how to copy the measurement ID. Alright, you don't need to configure all these below settings for basic setup. So my recommendation is to leave it alone unless you want to an advanced setup. In the second part, we need to create a trigger. Again, click the pencil icon, click all pages. That's it. We can save it. Now we have to submit our changes. Otherwise, it won't apply to our GA4 account. Give a name for the submission. I'll put GA4 V1 because I may change these tag settings in the future. Click the publish button. Okay, all looks fine. Let's see if this GA4 tag is live on our website. Navigate the workplace and click the preview button. Click the website tab which was open with the debug mode. Alright, Tag Assistant connected. Let's check with the Tag Assistant Legacy Chrome extension. Yes, we have our new Google site tag here. This is our new GA4 tag. So that's it. This is how we connect Google Analytics 4 to our website. Please note that displaying website visitor stats on your new analytics dashboard, it may take up to 48 hours. So be patient until then. Alright, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.